In today's video, we'll be sharing with you the 5 biggest reasons why we think Lucid Motors will merge with the Churchill Capital CCIV SPAC in the coming weeks. Let's get straight into it. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks, where we go over the basics of the stock market, investing, and bring you the latest news on trending stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. Be sure to use our referral links in the description below if you're a new investor and want to start investing, or if you're just looking for a new high-quality brokerage. M1 Finance is doing a great offer currently where you could get a free $30 using our referral link. So use the link below, earn an easy $30, and don't miss out. So Lucid Motors is a new EV company that is set to be a Tesla killer. They debuted their Lucid Air sedan late last year, and it was a show stealer. With a sleek design, fantastic 500-mile range battery, and fast charging capability, Lucid will hit the ground running when it gets released to the public. Talks about Lucid going public have perked the interest of investors who have been hungry for more and more EV stocks. Rumors of Lucid Motors being in talks with Churchill Capital CCIV have drawn all kinds of wild speculation about the possibility of a merger. So, we filtered all this down for you so that you can make the most sound judgment prior to any official announcement. Let's start off with the first reason why we think Lucid will go through with a CCIV merger. On the Lucid Motors website, there are 3 new job postings clearly indicating that they have the intention to go public. With the positions of Director of Investor Relations, Investor Relations Analyst, and SEC Reporting Manager, it seems fairly obvious that they plan to get listed as a publicly traded company in the New York Stock Exchange. This, at the minimum, sets the stage for Lucid stocks to come to mind and an imminent Lucid IPO to be on the way. So with this in mind, let's move on to our second point. Andrew Liveris currently serves as the chairman of the Lucid Board of Directors. This position clearly indicates that he has a very powerful role within Lucid Motors and has a strong say in company direction and decisions. However, this is not only his current role. Andrew is also an operating partner at CCIV. Let's take a look at Churchill's website. We can see here that he is listed among other members as operating partners under Churchill Capital IV. This is really starting to solidify some of the speculation, given that we have the head chairman of Lucid also serving as the operating partner for the SPAC that they are rumored to be merging with. But that's not all. It definitely gets better. Andrew Liveris has worked with the CEO of Churchill Capital, Michael Klein, before in prior deals. Prior to joining Lucid, Andrew was the CEO at Dow Chemical Company. Michael Klein was the lead advisor to Andrew, sealing a $130 billion deal merging with DuPont. Don't worry if this isn't enough evidence for you, because the story does go deeper. Saudi Arabia's public investment fund has invested over $1 billion into Lucid Motors, closing the deal back in 2019 as part of the Crown Prince's efforts to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy away from oil by 2030. Here's how this piece starts to connect. Andrew Liveris was appointed as a special advisor to the Public Investment Fund and to the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia. Furthermore, none other than Churchill Capital CEO Michael Klein has also advised the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund. As part of Michael's advisory role, he was able to get Saudi Arabia to invest in his SPAC, Churchill Capital III. So now with both Andrew Liveris and Michael Klein dealing directly with Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, it becomes even easier to connect the dots. Now for our fourth point, we would like to acknowledge a recent interview with Michael Klein. He was in an interview with IPO Edge regarding SPACs, when a question came up regarding the possibility of a merger with CCIV and Lucid Motors. Michael did not confirm nor deny that there is the potential of the merger with Lucid. However, he did have the option to outright deny the possibility and cleanly conclude all circulating rumors. But because he did not deny it, it raises the odds of there being a potential merger down the line. Lastly, for our fifth reason to why Lucid Motors may end up going public through CCIV, we like to point you to this Twitter account of Alex Cutler. Admittedly, this may be the most speculative point, but Alex claims to have sources telling him that Lucid Motors had a meeting regarding going public as soon as April this year and start distributing vehicles by June. From the date of publishing this video, this gives Lucid around 3 months to go public. The only realistic way to get that done in such a short time frame is through a SPAC, since they are already listed in the stock exchange. So, assuming that we can trust this source and that Lucid actually plans to go public by April, going public through a SPAC would be the most secure way to get the job done. And no SPAC would be easier to merge with than the one Andrew Liveris and the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund are most familiar with, Michael Klein's CCIV. There are quite a few dots to connect here, but they all seem to line up supportive of a Lucid CCIV merger. Even the notion of talks going on between Lucid and CCIV raises the odds for a merger to follow through. Alex Cutler provided a spreadsheet tracking the success rates of SPAC mergers completing after news of them being in talks, and he finds that 87% successfully go through. The combination of this statistic plus all 5 pieces of information that we mentioned definitely raises the probability of the Lucid CCIV merger following through, in our opinion. There is plenty of hype around the possibility of this merger happening. Just this week, CCIV stock jumped up over 82% to $18.36. If you agree with this theory that this merger will happen, it's definitely not too late to grab some shares for yourself. An official confirmation that the companies will merge will send the stock through the roof. The downside is relatively limited if a deal does not go through, however, since we would see the stock price drop back down around $10 in the worst case. We do have to give you fair warning, though, that this is still all technically speculation, as there has been no official confirmation announcement yet, and that we are not financial advisors. Invest wisely and with what money you are willing to risk. Watch out for the fake reports out there, and stay tuned on our channel for the latest updates on Lucid Motors. I'll leave you all with this funny clip.
You guys merging? CCIV? You guys gonna merge? You guys merging? Lucid, baby! Ah, come on! CCIV! CCIV! Look, see? He ain't telling us!
Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.